Guys, and welcome to Math Channel. We have here one math expression, 3 divided by 2 times 2 minus 3. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. Now we have here one division, one multiplication, and one subtraction. In PEMDAS, we have to solve this division and multiplication first. As we know, multiplication and division are equally important, so we have to solve this math expression from left to right. Now, 3 times 2 is equals to 3 over 2. Times 2 minus 3. Now, according to the PEMDAS, we have to solve this multiplication, not this subtraction. So, we can simplify this we can simplify this expression. 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1, and 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1. Now we have 3 times 1 minus 3, and as we know, we have to solve this multiplication first. 3 times 1 is equals to 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. The final answer is 0. Thank you for watching.